So today I'm gonna try and replace the motor mount on the passenger side. This 2006 Honda Civic should be the same for '06 through 11. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my jack under the car, under the engine, to kind of support the engine and lift it up a little bit. That way we can remove the motor mount and keep the engine from dropping. It won't like drop to the ground, but it will, lower itself and probably put stress on other parts. So that's what we're gonna do right now before we get started. So you can see I have a piece of wood here so that we're not damaging anything under the car when we lift it up. Right about there, you don't have to lift it up too much to begin with, so that should be good right there. One thing I'm going to do is remove this 10mm bolt here from the AC line and unhook it from here, this little clip here. That way I can possibly move this line out of the way so that we can get to that bolt. You can get to it without removing it, but let's see if it makes it easier. Doesn't make any difference. I don't think it does. Because you have to like undo it from way back there too. So we're just gonna have to work around it. Okay, so these 3 knots, this one, or bolts, and that one are 17mm, and these 2 are 19. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this the 17mm bolts first. As you can see, the long one goes back here, and the other 2 go right here. So just keep that in mind. Easier if you just take it out the back like this, and then just turn it like that. Then it comes out. This one's still good, so I'm not gonna replace this one. This looks like another 17mm that goes through in the motor mount. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that one next. See, this one is kind of shorter, so kind of gotta keep track of that. See how the engine dropped a little bit there? I'm gonna go ahead and raise it up a little more. Hang on. So just like I suspected, guys, check it out. That's my motor mount right there. We have 3 more bolts here. They're 14 millimeters. One here, and one that bolts onto the fender wall here.
What in your mouth? Nice.
Okay, now that the bolt is out, we can remove that bracket there. Like that. And our motor mount should come out. At least you would think. It is. That's the rest of it. I'm just kind of gonna clean up this area here. There's a lot of dirt in there. The wire brush, and then I'm just gonna blow it off or something. Yes, it's a little cleaner. So I'm just comparing the two, make sure they're the same, and they are. So this is just an aftermarket one. Bought it on Rock Auto. There's the part number. So we're gonna go ahead and get this installed because it's already getting dark. Okay, here we go. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and remove these 2 bolts. They're making it harder to. So it's kind of see, but I'm gonna see if I can use my magnet to get this bolt started back there, because it's kind of hard to. It's a very tight space, as you can see down there. Now let's have fun installing this bracket back on there. Sorry about the lighting, it's not very good. All I have is this flashlight in my head, on my head, forehead. Okay guys, so I'm just now putting everything back together, and as you can see it's kind of dark out. I just got to put this bracket back on, this nut, this bolt, and this bolt, and then, you know, put the this thing right here, put it back in there and bolt it down. Remember, there's a little notch on the mount it's supposed to sit in, so you gotta kind of line it up with that, and I just did. So see how it's not moving. So we're good there. Okie dokie. Let's see. Okay, I have to go back and watch the video because I forgot how this piece went. So I figured I'd go right on top of that.
Dad, did you see that Lincoln that passed by?
Yeah. Goes right there. Okay, those are in, and the long one. Remember, the long one goes in the back. We're gonna
Ow, what the heck? Ow! Girl, ow! What the heck? What? What? My wing just randomly started hurting. Your what? Your wing?
Hey guys, my phone is about to die. Literally, I'm on 4%, so I just gotta tighten this bolt, and that bolt, that one, and put this AC line back there where it belongs. And this job is pretty much done, so I'm gonna cut it right here because, like I said, my phone is about to die literally. So like 3%. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.